Hello from PlotSet. As you probably know, PlotSet is a data visualization tool with more than 100 fully customizable templates and an extensive collection of maps that helps you visualize your data without needing any coding skills. The first thing you need to do upon visiting the website is log in. If you don't have an account yet, it's about time to register and create one. In case you already have an account, enter it via your Google info. You can also use your email and password to enter. Upon entering your dashboard, you can see the charts you have created using PlotSet. Change the order in which you organize these charts if you like. If you hit on your profile picture, you'll see the options to change your profile info, send invitations to your friends, and obtain API keys for using PlotSet API documentation. To create a new chart, hit the New Chart button. Here's where you can access our extensive collection of templates. Choose the one that is more suited to your data. When you do, you'll be taken to the plotting area. Let's go back to the home page to see the other options you have on our website. The gallery is a great place to get inspired or see examples of different charts. In case you're interested in learning more about data visualization in general and how to draw beautiful charts, our blog is the place for you. Are you a developer or someone who wants to create new charts and designs using PlotSet API? Visit our documentation page. You may set the page mode on day or night. Our docs helps you find your way around the charts and use API keys to generate the results you have in mind. As of today, this is the number of charts that's been created using PlotSet. At the bottom of the page, you can find our social media links. Make sure to follow us for more relevant content. Check out our privacy policy to ensure our policies match your principles. As PlotSet grows, the privacy policy gets updated as well. In case you have any questions or face any issues, our contact information has been mentioned on the Contact Us page. Please remember that you have the option to schedule a demo meeting with one of our experts on the team to learn more about our product and how to work more efficiently around the site. All you need to do is choose a date and time that you are available, fill out your information, and set up a free demo session with us. Our team will contact you ASAP. Thank you for watching PlotSet.